In May 2025, in partnership with Shikha Academy, we ran a 2-week workshop in Mumbai with kids from some of the lowest income neighborhoods in the city.
I am Srushti. I am 11 years old and going to turn 12 in August. And my father and mother, they are a nation teacher. I have an older sister, my pets at home. I have a cat. I live in Poisar and my dream is to become a doctor in the future.
The idea was to create AI agents that could play a game of telephone with each other, but in a multimodal way. The teens use AI tools to generate code, images, video, creative writing, and even songs in English, Hindi, and Marathi.
Each participant started by imagining a character, a monster, superhero, or any kind of protagonist that reflected their interests and creativity. Then they used AI to flesh out their characters. They prompted models to capture their personalities, looks, and voice, and then generated visuals and jingles. Then they built websites through vibe coding to showcase them.
So my character name was Martin Udin. He has a veiny arms, he has muscular body, but his belly is made out of orange, which makes him look very weird, and that's why he feels uncomfortable and insecure in public area.
They also learned to configure AI agents to embody their creations. These agents would receive a character from another participant, blend it with their own using an online AI model, and then pass the new hybrid forward.
Choco is a colorful rainbow rabbit which he lives in like a chocolate land, eats chocolates, and he's a character made by Pawan. I am my character with a Choco, and the result was a colorful wolf wearing a gown.
दृष्टि का जो बल्बा कब टैग का था वो एक मतलब प्रेक्सेस की पाया है जो लोनली थी तो जब मैंने अपना कैरेक्टर और सृष्टि का कैरेक्टर को लिखा मैं कि अब वो हैप्पी था और उसका खुद था चॉकलेट था.
It was like an evolving game of character fusion. In the end, we had a whole range of wonderful creatures, from the original creations to some pretty unexpected hybrids.
These kids experienced using AI tools for creative work. They went beyond ChatGPT, they used Cursor for coding, created songs with Suno, and generated videos with Sora. And then they got a taste for how you can build AI agents and have them talk to AI models and to each other.
कर्सर को हेल्प करता है चैट जीपीटी से कनेक्ट होने के लिए, और जो हम लोग प्रॉम्प्ट डालते हैं वो प्रॉम्प्ट चैट जीपीटी से प्रोसेस करने के बाद हम ग्रुप के लिए आपका.
When we were using Cursor, when it was generating the code, as Cursor connects itself with ChatGPT with one-line code, so and then it asks the code to ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives the code, and then Cursor connects it with localhost, and it could function properly.
All these teens came from informal settlements in the suburbs of Mumbai, and they were super invested in the learning process. At one point, some of them ended up taking the workshop laptops back to their neighborhood to show some of the younger kids what they had learned, and our team ended up doing the same.
We wrapped up with a final presentation day, where the students shared their work with family, friends, and teachers. Seeing their pride and their excitement about the future was a powerful experience.
We tried to go beyond this notion that AI literacy is about knowing how to safely use the technology as a consumer. Our goal at TUMO is to empower young people to take charge of their relationship with AI. They need to exercise their agency as creators and learn how to master new tools and new opportunities as they emerge.